Hi guys, welcome back to Mark's Irish Kitchen. So today I'm going to be making a high protein tuna melt. It's got over 50 grams of protein. It's really simple to make. It can be done in 10 minutes. And if I didn't tell you there was cottage cheese in it, I honestly don't think that you'd know. So let's make it. Now I have 1 tin of tuna in water drained. Make sure it's in water, not brine. This cuts down on the calories. There is high protein cottage cheese, high protein sliced cheddar cheese, high protein wrap, 1 green onion, there's 1 pickle, capers, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, and light mayo, or you could use Greek yogurt. First of all, we're going to put the cottage cheese into a blender. 75 grams of cottage cheese. Make sure you weigh it out because this does help with the calorie count. Then we're going to go with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Once you blend this, you won't even know the cottage cheese is in it. Then we're going to go with 15 grams or 1 tablespoonful of light mayonnaise. Then we're going to go with some garlic granules and some black pepper. Then we're going to pop that into the blender, blend it up until all the curds and the cottage cheese have been dissolved. Now that that's done, you can see it's nice and fine. It's like a nice sauce, no curds, and we're just going to pop that to the side. You could make this earlier and put it into the fridge if you wanted. Now we're going to go with 1 teaspoon of capers and 1 pickle. We're going to slice them up. This will give your wrap a tangy, sweet, vinegary taste. And honestly, you can leave these out if you don't like capers or pickles. Now we'll just set those to the side, and then we'll bring in our spring onion, and we've topped and tailed it, so we'll just slice it very thinly, and we're going to set it to the side as well. Now we're going to add the tuna to a bowl. And to that then we're going to add the capers and the pickle mixture and the spring onions. Now we're going to take the sauce that we made earlier, and we're going to just pop it over the top and give that a good stir until it's fully combined. Now folks, if you're finding value in what I do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for further videos. Now we'll bring in the wrap, and we're just going to fill about the middle of it with all of the tuna mixture. Make sure you put it in the middle, it does make it easier to fold. Although, to be honest, my folding technique isn't the best. I could do with a bit more practice. And then on top of that there, we're going to put the sliced high protein cheddar cheese. Again, as I said, I could do with a little bit of practice. So fold it in from the sides first. Then fold it over, tuck it in and fold it over again. Now we're going to go over to our frying pan. You can leave it dry, or you can put a little bit of oil in it depending on what you want. I just left mine dry. Put the folded side down first so that it stays together, and we'll just push it down so that it's all on the heat. Give it a couple of minutes and then we'll just see if it's browned enough and we'll flip it over. Again, press it down, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then your tuna melt is ready. Now I just like to serve mine with a little bit of salad. You can have crisps with yours, whichever you want. Anything but the salad keeps the calories down. Slice it through the middle, and there you have your tuna melt. Ready in 10 minutes. Perfect lunch, high protein, low calorie, and extremely tasty. Folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my further videos. And if you keep watching, the next video is for a high protein breakfast that helped me lose 10 kgs over the course of 3 months.